Ukertong ke Kongres syak election MLA Arjar pulai ke Banlong hak arnyo trik mentau benai kanot selong ba jil do ulong ba kadai ke por bau Dr. Amanwar kumu Director ke Health Services babun sian nasim ki dawai ki badan por satang khandian ban pendon kami ki. Habakren hak jelang yelap election hak janmiet ke arpulai trik rompang Arjar pulai hajaya upar lansnolin uba jil do ulong ba kani ke jing pendu yakum kini ki jai dawai palajan kot por kaja hajan borok ki distrik ke jela labun bun senam berkata ya kepisa jong kesor ke arjela.
Balai ka health department ka thang ya kidawai. Bat balai ka sim ya kitu kidawai ki badan kata ka bakiang ka baliti period satang sistem expiry date. Saban kod balai pilang sim supply. Badap ka sim pimla su balai dawai ki paiba pia ban thang no yaki. Bat pitang buri tamba kilap ki paiba ki khot yakinang sor khobor balami lemba ki kot khobor nado nagaru hers hado silong kamtam silong time habrim ratang yakidawai tai apok mau prem TB hospital soba pensyai balai pitang kidawai balai pimai dawai paipa dang lami nang to parlo bai ngakrem kena manu batang ngakrem yaturu kasnem ayu thang ngakrem yaturu tarik ayu ja ngai tang hanta mangam kuwa ban kena brio resosi nang lami ngan tu nak jelang yang Dr. Aman wa iong ba utu MLA ubai subi kerki bai komtu nat kada kuwa ban syam do bakot bang kuwa ban keli yu ba kata ke jing thang dawai mendo thang dawai hang te po yang darbar jam ka wa ingdo kabla khot da kadar bersama wajah ya ke common platform mendo thang dawai lokali Dr. Aman yang hak apor bam dan siapa kan pangadang dan uklemong absuap adem ngan kali mendo thang dawai dan rabi sekali mendo thang dawai badem ayangi ketarik ayangi benai ayangi senam tadi kejigong ne thang hak apor bapi pilong state minister jaga health kaklas pak na pupra ngalong Minister of State to kahel nedek pojopi bapitang mentapat kenoi kiwe tenas kala Dr. Aman bapilaong bayode manga porjonga patang kanu tarik pikwa usna mayu upna ayu mentau serban jokene ka platform ka bangayang berpisah paiba ubo ini dikli dengan habane to kemni skap bapi ki paiba baro kibahap hakini kisinang bamarcan baro habang ayang ni karampan supply of short expiry drugs to health department kani karaja haka umaj arfsan tarik arhajar arfuwe maj arfsan tarik arhajar arfuwe sengapa kabab kumni drug suppliers in Meghalaya are literally taking the state to the cleaners by dumping tons of medicine having a short expiry date for use in hospital and rural areas health center and collecting bills worth crores of rupees indicating a nexus between the suppliers and those in authority to fleece the state of its limited revenue and at the cost of the health of the people. This practice of supplying medicines having a short lifespan has allegedly consignment once again having a limited shelf life and in the process submitting bills worth crores of rupees. Nyangta, the latest proposals from the health department is a move to release several crores of rupees as payment for medicines having a short expiry date supply to the various hospitals and the rural health centers across the state. Layak nang da kita kiba kikot ki expiry drugs kiba tang sipor kin sakot no kidawai. Mana bala ka health portfolio to kapor o minister banitpen ko Dr. Aman nabar bapiyong la bandai kapor badip ulong minister health latang ya kini kita wai kiblade kila kod kita ki ekspedien ska bah menta hagno pidan kani kapor hakabari bahek UMD BJP udah minister to kapor ka health department but and all supplies of drugs ngaba are undertaken by the Directorate of Health Services MI held by Dr. Amanwar. La sim supply yakini kidawai kibladan tang kabariti ti priat tang hindian kin kudna hakapor bi bahek kilomesta but they mafi director ubal procure yakini kidawai yakba hab brandno hab thangno hab pendono kani kadai kabla bi haka arsan tari kuma arhajar arpuwe ndai kar kendai spa kendai fufra bangdang bat manga kom minister kena ubapet yakahel kabang rukum ni this practice of destroying skaba komapi kipai ba jokene konsensi this practice of destroying medicine worth crores of rupees has reportedly been taking place in almost all districts of the state for several years, causing the state exchequer enormous revenue loss. According to sources in the department, these medicines are being destroyed ahead of the end of every financial year on March 31st, so as to allow the suppliers to once again obtain the medicines and then and provide a fresh batch once again consisting of limited shelf-life medicine. Kamol alek nang yakane kajing destroy no ikini dawai pendo no thangno banailat biang yaki supplier bagi dia supply biang mari ko lupa kramba ndop yo biang banya bang kata kadai kani kabami pat sajuba mapi Dr. Amanwar ndesyo banjuba manga
Haswa ka niu ba jiling do ulong ba kalong ka AKA ka balungo ba ka United Democratic Party UDP ka khamtiang ya ka sinsar president ban ya ka kambam sam kumapaw na ka jingkren kinongilam ka ni ka party haki banai baldeb kumaladon ki jingdawa ban mi no na ka sarkar MDA namar ki jingkno bam sap ba fer ulong ba ka sarkar MDA ha ka jelam ka NPP kamsem lakhot ban pan jing pensai nau ba ransom sutunga ha ka por bolapan manaya u kumu kertong ka NPP kat bau dangbat ya ka kam kumu executive engineer ka tanat pludi building house nam arjar arwar
katu kaskam jenghab juk kadum hadin balai RTI daw social activist chief engineer jeng kapilbiri building ulah habanai in black and white umlaban buri silindro bakadon ka excess hakta ka ribai estimate sa sun folklore tingka 50 crores of rupees excess ang chief engineer Peduli building ndai ba mga ba jail ndo hak RTI ndalo juba yaw nong wat RTI san folklore excess tang bawang nga kum chief engineer ngam sim dan berta ngam sim tip ka khlamuan lingba kami jonga bangan approve ya kini excess san folklore ang chief engineer jang ka Peduli building halada chief engineer jang ka Peduli building uang akhram tip ka khlamuan lingba kami jonga komno kata ka 50 crore excess hakaribai systemet kaletpat siya minister Peduli ban approve kaletpat siya chief minister ban approve kaletpat siya chairman jangka high power committee ubade utra jangka assembly mano ba approve krapte chief engineer jangka Peduli building nama day mo bong ngam tip yakane kaklaman lengba kami tunga ban ngaklam approve yaka ngaklam yaro tambat pej lani ban san yaka mana ba approve kray kri ba estimate kita mana tang engineer ngam kedokti kani kamne personal tak ngakran ya kabab stop Ngakran ya kebabsab, ya kebau chief engineer wang, this file was approved by the higher authority without bypassing me as the chief engineer. Kabar la approve ya kini ka file daki higher authority ki bakam he ban yau kan ba yau la bypass. Judan kong kata tang hame kalia la bandan kong ta karul jom la ka jom now engineer direct show minister Peludi building in charge direct show finance approve chief minister with the knowledge of the assembly speaker Maudif Sherman Jangka High Power Committee para lapayit kata gani ke sistem kabar bakaseng NPP kalau you right ya barak ikendan wan ya ikendan Jangka Election Commission of India kalau you right ay bagi paybagan tiap ya gani hangno pijulap Bau Syakri Sarkar Ulla banaten Yaki political party meeting Ban penyasa parti Ban declare Yahu kom official candidate How no judan ay How no judan ay Ngakali menta Yahu Syakri Sarkar Bau unlej ban rum parti Ban penyasa parti Ban declare official candidate Dari tangga parti NPP hang ni mokar laung baruin ta mga kwa pendapan ba mga tibay ketuksi kajayu balai kran Dr. Jamino bad uba bendo ya kini kekentin badalele ngemla banwen na kini sarkar ni kam tiga presiden rule bani kajing pamsap takamat daya pamsap menilai tambah ni tiga presiden rule are Nada perkat banyak kebamsab dan babon rap presiden rulem. Kenapa inomban kem na bara tabla sajir. Nada yo kem inomban sab hak persisiap presiden rul bara sajir. Dan malapan let sembil let lau belam tanisia. Bab jadai.
BJP promises to empower the farmers of Meghalaya by giving annual allowance of Rs 8,000 to farmers and Rs 3,000 to landless farmers per year. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kajingkular ka TMC na kabinta ka Meghalaya. Kajingpintik na ya kalaway bapranay. An ay jingarap kat arajar tingka sisnam syaman na kilong yeng jong kikina ki bapuliya ki school sarkar. Namar kata ka TMC kan ay shilak teli ki laptop syabaro ki higher secondary bar ki kena puli college ban kersyan ya ka puli puti ka baminta.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urempang syan ya ka syap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kersyan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.